Hi everyone, it gives me so much pleasure today to bring to you this recipe on how to make your chicken legs more delicious, come out softer and yummier, and of course with lots of sauce. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Greyglamma GGM. Today I am going to show you how to make yogurt marinated chicken legs. It is easy to make, but the result is wow. Before I go any further, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you have not, share the video and leave a comment. Thank you so much. First, wash and remove the skin on the chicken legs. Make deep cuts on the chicken legs and then rub some chicken seasoning powder into the cuts you already made. This is to season it. Next, we are going to prepare the mix for the marinade. Here, we are using Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of white onion, a tablespoon of ginger powder, and of course chili pepper. Mix all together. Now dip the chicken legs into the mix. Make sure the mix touches every part of the chicken legs and it gets into the cuts that you made on the chicken legs. When you have dipped all the chicken legs in the marinade, then put in the fridge to marinate for 30 minutes or more. After that, you bring it out and place the chicken legs in an oven tray. Add some potato slices and vegetables of your choice. Here I use some carrots, green and red bell pepper, and onions. Next, sprinkle some black pepper on the chicken and the vegetables. Then you place to roast in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for like 20 minutes. And your yogurt marinated chicken legs is ready. Yummy, delicious, with enough sauce. Can you see how it comes out? Your children will love this because a bite into it, very soft. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. I would like you to try out this recipe at home, especially if you have kids, and tell me how it comes out and tell me how they enjoyed it. I hope to see you in the next one, but before you go, don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.